wanted to stop by Phillipsburg to check out the brewery here, but it looks like the town is bustling. There's a lot of stuff going on.
Yeah, there's a car show going on, and so we're going to check it out. And
it's packed.
Yeah, it is super busy here.
Yeah, cool.
After doing a 9-mile hike, it was probably more than that because we detoured quite a bit. So I'm going to say an 11-mile hike straight up a mountain. We wouldn't want to walk anymore, but we're going to be walking some more.
Here we are walking.
Feel good going uphill again. At least there's a short end in sight.
Yeah. Well, we thought we were going to get a beer at the brewery, but it was pretty much packed.
It was so packed, so we're going to call it a day and head back to Bozeman.
Here we go.
But Phillipsburg is a really cool town.
Yeah.
I'd love to come back sometime when there's not so many people, which is weird to say for Phillipsburg.
Right.
But yeah, it's definitely a cool town.
Yeah. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. If you haven't watched the first two in this series, be sure to go back and watch those because that's what this whole series was about. That's the whole reason we had our road trip to Hamilton, was so that we could hike up to Trapper Peak by way of Baker Lake. Those two videos have some amazing scenery, some funny moments in them you won't want to miss. So go back and watch those. We're really proud of what we put together there for you. As always, if you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up by clicking the little thumbs up button that says I liked it at the bottom right hand corner of the screen. If you want to see more videos like this, click the subscribe button. And if you don't want to miss them when they come out, click that little notification bell and then YouTube will notify you when they come out. Like next week, we're going to have our Glacier National Park video where we climb Grinnell Glacier, which is the most amazing hike I've ever been on in my life. I really love it. I think you guys are going to really like it. Later on, we have Banff National Park coming up. And again, if you don't want to miss these, click subscribe, click that notification bell, and you'll catch all of them as they come out. Again, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.